As a composable API-first platform, Adobe Commerce includes robust API orchestration capabilities that empower developers to meet unique business requirements. Your development team can easily stitch together APIs from third-party services to build rich shopping experiences using native orchestration within the platform. API orchestration in Commerce creates a mesh with external API sources for data like pricing and reviews. Commerce integrates third-party solutions, extending and caching APIs in a low-code environment. Your mesh will act as a unified graph, combining APIs to simplify headless storefront development. The API mesh handles the complexity of consolidating information from various GraphQL sources. Non-GraphQL sources can also be used and are converted into GraphQL. API orchestration within Commerce also makes it easy to add, upgrade, or replace third-party API sources so your business remains flexible. Once you've published your API mesh within Commerce, you can manage all relevant data sources from a single intuitive platform. Empower your team with the robust API orchestration capabilities of Adobe Commerce and unleash the full power of your commerce data.